Speaker, if you allow me, I will finish with a Chinese proverb. And I want the women of this House to respect me. I had no choice. I read a Chinese proverb, Mr. Speaker, and allow me just to quote that Chinese proverb. It is very important for this House to hear, because the Chinese proverb is exactly going to tell us what we are doing. The Speaker, I read a book and a Chinese proverb, and I really want the ladies in the House to respect me, that you will only, we ask for consensus.
The time is over. Time is over. Honorable Maore. Honorable Maore. No. No. No, the proverb is going to be yours. Honorable Maore, proceed. No. Well, no. You know, Honorable Duale, no. Anyway, just
the proverb. Just the proverb.
You have
just the proverb. Okay. Mr. Speaker, just the proverb.
Please.
Mr. Speaker, just the proverb.
No. I would not expect that you digress.
Mr. Speaker, just the proverb important.
Just finish it.
Mr. Speaker, the Chinese proverb says, you will only realize the importance of dialogue, the importance of negotiation, the importance of peaceful resolution of conflicts when a mosquito lands on your testicles.
Thank you. Proceed, Honorable Maore. Honorable Maore. Honorable Maore.
Mr. Speaker, I want to appreciate the moment to plead with the House that when we are given time